Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with a flip through of my design team project I made using the Petalfey papers from Be Happy Stationery. This is a design team project. As a design team member, I get the digital collections at no cost so that I can print them off and make fun things with them. This will be a flip through. I've already started the project. I did a reel the other day to give you a peek at it, and let's get busy. Okay, so this album I made from scratch. I made the cover, the pages, and so forth. So here's the front of it. And again, if you watched my videos before, especially for this design team, you know I really like fun and whimsical. And this is definitely fun and whimsical. The designs are just gorgeous. I did print this on a linen type paper, so it's got a nice sheen to it. And it's also just got a nice texture going on. So there's the front cover. There's the spine. I have not put, I guess I better move my camera up just a little bit. It is, I didn't put a charm or anything. Maybe I'll add one later. I don't think so. I kind of like that girl showing. And then the back cover coordinates. And beautiful. This kit is absolutely amazing. It has a ton of pages. It has a ton of ephemera. And I just love it. So when we open up, here's the inside front cover. And again, I just took the images, printed them out, layered them with some cardstock. I think this is just an inexpensive cardstock. And then what I decided I wanted to do was pocket pages. Now you can see the spine. I just did a nice valley and mountain fold spine. All right, and here we go. I'm just going to do a quick flip through and then we'll go back and look at what's inside. And again, I just layered the pretty images. This one, I was running low on my printed papers and I was not at home with my printer. I did have to print a couple of sheets at the local library where I was at. They literally were the least expensive color copies I've ever had made, like ever, not even many years ago. So I did have to make 4 copies, 4 more page copies. But before I did that, this one is a full page. For this one, I had to piece together a couple of pages, and they're pieced together right through here. I think I covered it up pretty good. So there's that page. Look at that. Look at the snail with a little garden cart on the back. How cute is he? Loving all of this. And you know I love sunflowers. So look at the pretty sunflowers, the bees, all of that. And then this little girl is so pretty. And she has a little bunny for a friend. And then here we have the piccolo or flute. Not sure. Hard to tell with these fun prints. This one again is one that I had to piece together. I pieced it together right through here. I don't think it's super noticeable. I think it works. Next page. That one. And then this back page. So once again, you could put photos on here or you could put photos. I'm thinking what I wanted to do is put tags in here that you could put photos or journal on. So what I did is I did a nice blank oval on the linen paper. You could put journaling lines and journal on this and put a photo on the back, or you could put a photo on the front and the back, whatever you want. This one doesn't have a hole punched in it. It's just a little holder for photos or journaling. And then I cut out these cards, the tags. I did them rather large. On the back, I stamped with my brick print recollection stamp to give it some texture. I didn't want to add too much thickness to this. And then inside, I tucked a card on cardstock. Just again, look at those vibrant colors. Aren't these beautiful? So I got that one. And then I did 2 of the small tags that I printed on background paper. So those ones go in here. And I did punch holes in my pockets. And sorry I didn't record this video as I was making it. I was at a retreat and I did not bring my camera stand or my light stands. So they would have been really poor quality videos. So in this one, I have, oh, those fell out. Okay. I have another oval mat. And then here's the tag on this one. And again, I have a pretty tag. This one's more like a journaling card, but a pretty tag. And then 2 more of the pre-printed tags with background paper. And this one's the same thing, a nice big chubby journaling mat or photo mat. Look at that. These images are just amazing. That looks like there's sparkles on her that I sparkled them, but I didn't. That's just the color of the paper. And here I put another small tag and another journaling card or photo holder. And 2 more pages. Here's the second to the last one. The oval mat. This fun little image of the girl with the watering can. And this one. This one and this one. Super cute. Adorable. Love this kit. And that is another great thing about using digital collections. Is as long as I have a printer, I will never run out of this paper. Because if I have paper and a printer, I can always make more. Okay, and the last one is another photo mat, journaling card. This cute one with the wagon again. I just love it. And then another tag. And 2 more smaller tags. Super cute. Love this collection. And you've probably heard me say this before when it comes to Be Happy Stationery's kits. I think this might be my favorite one. Okay, so now let's do a nice flip through. I'll go up with my camera just a little and hopefully not show too much of a mess on my desk. Okay, so let's look at it once more. Oh, and I put those in wrong. Okay, front cover. I put those in wrong. Why would I do that? Now, see, now that's going to bug me, so I have to put it in. Because I want the pretties to show. I didn't want the backs of these to show. So, before I can do the flip through, I've got to stick these back in here because I did not intend for the backs to show from the front of the image or the album. Okay, so front, spine, back. We're just going to do a little flip through. This one almost has a storybook feel. I feel like I would love to add some fairy tale in here about this, but there is room you could put photos. I would probably do my photos inside on the tags and the journaling ovals. Just looking through. Again, that's one of the pages I pieced together. I just love the flowers. I love the little faces. And of course, I love the sunflowers. That image is so pretty. The little snail eyes looking, and the bunny. And again, there are so many things in here. The journaling cards are absolutely, the tags are beautiful. Show you the fronts of these one more time. Just gorgeous. And I didn't add any speckles, any glitter, anything to these because the paper's just gorgeous. That one. That one. And that one. So that is my design team project featuring the Petalfey papers. And I will put all of I will put all of the links and such for Be Happy Stationery. That's Sandra. I'm sorry, Sandra, for saying the wrong name. She has a Ko-fi shop with wonderful, wonderful collections. Her prices are very reasonable to purchase the kits. She does a lot of Friday freebies. She does all sorts of fun promotions. Go check out her Ko-fi shop. There will be the address to her Ko-fi shop in the description of this video also. Thank you for visiting my channel. This is Kathy Lee. Happy crafting!